We're on to challenge B. We're on to challenge B. Open up the file challenge 01B. Again, I've made it very small so you get practice in making things bigger and smaller and smaller. Okay, make it to where, arrange it to where you can easily see everything. Now this particular challenge, it's kind of big, so I'm going to make this a bit smaller right there. What you're going to do on this challenge is using the selection tool right there. I'm flashing on it right there. I'll probably put some sort of a circle around it. You're going to double click. If you single click, nothing happens. If you double click, click, that's what happens. I should point out that I've already done a little bit of the work for you so that you're focused on one thing at a time. And the last one was moving files to the left, or actually to the right. And on this one, it's practicing copying and pasting. Now you can copy and paste one of two ways. Let me move this up here. You can double click as we did, and you can go to here, which it says copy, and then you can go paste. So let's do the copy, and you need to paste it right where it says repeat. So I'm going to put my cursor right here in the, it says repeat here. This is the repeat, all of this track down here. Again, this is one track, this is the second track, and I'm going to go with the yellow line, click there, right where that little finger is, and then I'm coming up here to paste, and there it is. I'm going to double click. Now I'm going to use a drop-down menu, edit, copy, and then I'm going to that yellow line, look for it, and then I'm going to the edit menu and paste, and then I'm going to double click. This time I'm going to use a keystroke because it's quicker, at least for me. Control or Command Z, C as in A, B, C, and then I'm going here. Notice how this is blue and this is not. Notice how this is blue and this is not. Blue indicates, let me get right there. Blue indicates that whatever you want to do will happen in this track. All right, and then paste, bink, and then double click, copy with a keystroke, and I'm going to use the little left and right tool here, and I'm going to paste it right there. If you could have figured all of this out without my help, well then perfect. And this is what it should sound like. Let's go to the beginning and go. There we go. That's exactly what it should sound like. One thing, and you can do that as many times as you want. Basically, that's all that you need to learn. Remember, you can scrub back and forth or view back and forth. You can export this if you want as an MP3 and put it in your share file. I'm going to do this, and I'm going to make this much smaller to show you one little thing that I forgot to show you earlier. Now, remember down here, if what's inside the window is bigger than the window, this bar shows up, and you can go this way and that way. If there's more down here, this bar right here shows up, and I can go up and down. If you see this bar, that means you can go up and down. If you see this bar, you can go to the left and the right. If you want to get rid of those bars, drag the window to where they're gone. It's this window right here where that bar is there, and then it's gone. This bar is here, and now it's still there. Oh, I see. Okay, it's still there. Or you could do it this way. See how let me go here. See how that bar is there? I can minimize this window. I can minimize this window, and the bar goes away. So you're looking at all of it, and then I can make this smaller and smaller, and now, well, there still is a bar. I'm not sure why it needed that little bar, but it does. But everything is there. All right, we're on to challenge 1C.